In this video, we're going to learn about the different formulas and terms related to earned value management. In this particular video, we're going to learn about what is actual cost, what is earned value, and what is cost variance. In order to understand the terms better, I have divided these terms into different segments on this table. We will explore each term's acronym, the name of the term, the formula, the meaning, and we will also learn what question does that particular term answer. So the first term that we're going to discuss is actual cost. The acronym for the term actual cost is AC. And the term actual cost refers to the actual cost which has been incurred on the project till now for the work that has been done on the project till now. I've used the term till now to make it easier for you to understand. You can also consider till now as up until a particular point in time on the project. So in other words, you can say that actual cost refers to the actual cost which has been incurred on the project up until a particular point in time on the project for the work that has been done on the project up until a particular point in time. Next, let's learn about what question does the term actual cost answer. So if someone was to ask, what has been the cost of the project till now? So actual cost will give you the answer to that question. It will tell you what is the actual cost that has been incurred on the project up until that point in time. The next term that we're going to learn about is earned value. The acronym for earned value is EV. And earned value refers to the value of the work that has been done till now. Or in other words, it refers to the value of the work that has been done up until a particular point in time on the project. Now, I'd like you to note that the term value of the work done refers to the monetary value. So we're considering work in terms of monetary terms. So for example, we could say that up until this point in time on the project, $1,000 worth of work has been done till now. Now let's learn about what question does the term earned value answer. So for example, if someone was to ask how much work in terms of monetary value has actually been completed at this point in time on the project, so earned value would be able to tell you what is the monetary value of the work which has actually been completed on the project at this particular point in time. Next, we're going to learn about a term known as cost variance. And the acronym for cost variance is CV. The formula for cost variance is cost variance is equal to earned value minus actual cost. The term cost variance can tell you how actual cost compares to the value of the work completed on the project. Or in other words, it can tell you the value of the work done till now versus the actual cost of the work done till now on the project. Or in other words, you could say that it refers to the value of the work done up until a particular point in time on the project versus the actual cost of the work done up until a particular point in time on the project. Now there are a couple of points that I'd like you to note. A negative cost variance or a negative value of cost variance refers to the fact that the project is over budget. You would get a negative value of cost variance if the value of the actual cost is greater than the earned value. So what it would mean is that the value of actual cost is bigger than the earned value. This would mean that the cost variance is negative, and it would mean that the project is over budget. This is because the actual costs which have been incurred on the project are greater than the value of the work that has been done up until that point in time. Another important thing I'd like you to note is that a positive value of cost variance refers to the fact that the project is under budget. You would get a positive value of cost variance if the earned value is greater than the actual cost. And this would mean that the value of the work completed till now is greater than the actual cost of the work that has been done till now. And this would mean that the value of the cost variance is positive and that the project is under budget. What this would mean is that the project is going within the budget and that the costs have not exceeded the budget. Now let's look at what question does the term cost variance answer on a project. So if someone was to ask, how much more has the completed work cost compared to what was planned? Or if someone was to ask, how much less has the completed work cost compared to what was planned on the project? So cost variance would give you the answer to that.